ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै मनोधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीः यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Upadesha Sahasri, we are seeing Tattvamasi Prakaranam. In 24th shloka, it was said, Atma is Shabda Pratyaya Agochara. Atma is not Vishaya of either Shabda or Pratyaya, any Vritti. And the Pratyaya Nishedha was done in 25, 26 and 27th shloka. Purvapakshi had asked in 27th shloka that if Atma becomes Vishaya of Aham Pratyaya, Mama Pratyaya, so why do you say Atma is Swata Siddha? So Siddhanti said, Aham Mama is because of Adhyasa with Sabhasa Antakarana. Atma and Anatma, Atma and Sabhasa Antakarana Adhyasa takes place, and because of Aviveka, erroneously I call Ahankara as myself. So that Pratyaya is Pranti, Pranta Pratyaya it is. Now further, Tika of 28, introduction. Evam Aham Pratyade, 254 page number. Evam Aham Pratyader Anya Vishayatvopadanena Sambhavyo Gochare Shabda iti Shlokoktam Pratyaya Gocharatvam Atmanah Pratipaditam. Idanim Shabdasyapi Vishayantaram Darshayans Tadagocharatvam Upapadayati. Evam, in this way, Aham Pratyadehe Anya Vishayatva Upapadanena. Aham Pratyaya's Vishaya is something other than Atman. The so-called Aham Vritti, what is generally known is Ahankar Vritti. And in that, there is Shuddha Chaitanya Adhyasa. So I think that is Atma, but it is only Ahankara. Anya Vishayatva Upapadanena. So Acharya showed that actually it has different Vishaya other than Atma. Sambhavyo Gochare Shabda iti Shloka 24. Shlokoktam Pratyaya Agocharatvam Atmanaha Pratipaditam. Atmanaha Pratyaya Agocharatvam. Atmanaha Pratyaya Agocharatvam. Shashti, if you remove, then it will become
Atma Pratyaya Gocharam.
Atma Pratyaya Agochara. Gochara is Pullinga. Atma Pratyaya Agochara. Pratyaya Gochara. Atma is not Vishaya of any Pratyaya. This Pratipaditam. Idanim, now, Shabdasya api Vishayantaram Darshaya. Shabda also is referring to something else, not Atma. तद अगोचरत्वम, शब्द अगोचरत्वम आत्मनः उपपादयति। जाति कर्मादिमत्वाद्धि तस्मिन् शब्दास्त्वहंकृति न कश्चिद् वर्तते शब्दस् तदभावात् स्व आत्मनि। जाति कर्मादिमत्वाद्धि तस्मिन् शब्दात् त्वहंकृति न कश्चिद् वर्तते शब्दस् तदभावात् स्व आत्मनि। तस्मिन् अहंकृति शब्दः तु जाति कर्मादि मत्वाद् ही वर्तन्ते। जाति कर्मादि मत्वात् शब्दः अहंकृति, अहंकृति सप्तमी, इन अहंकार, the shabdas are reaching ahankara. Why? What is the hetu?
जाति कर्मादि मत्वात्।
जाति कर्मादि मत्वात्, जातिमान, कर्मादिमान, etc. स्व means स्वे, स्वे आत्मनि न कश्चित् शब्दः वर्तते। No शब्द indicates or no shabda reveals Atma directly. Atma is not vachyartha of any shabda. Why? Tad abhavat, jati karmadi abhavat. So shabda pravritti nimitta will work to reveal the vishaya. If shabda pravritti nimittas are not there, Vishaya will not become vachyartha of any shabda. Then that Vishaya will be only avachya. It will be known through lakshya, lakshana. This is simple. We have already seen some ideas. Tasmin ahankriti. Ahankriti ahankare sabhase hi. निश्चितम जाति कर्मादि शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्तवत्वात् शब्दाः प्रवर्तन्ते. In that ahankara, ahankriti, which is along with chidabhasa, sabhase hi निश्चितम जाति कर्मादि शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्तवत्वम. जाति गुण क्रिया संबंध रूढ़ी, all these shabda pravritti nimitta, they are in ahankara. So shabda pravritti is there, shabdaha pravartante. Tadabhavat pravritti nimitta jatyadi abhavat. Tadabhavat means where these pravritti nimittas are not there, स्वे स्वरूप भूते आत्मनि निरूपाधिके कश्चिदपि शब्दो न वर्तते. In स्वरूप भूत आत्मा which is निरूपाधिक, there is no activity of any shabda. न कश्चिदपि शब्दो प्रवर्तते. तम विषयी कुर्वन् इत्यर्थः. तम आत्मानं विषयी कुर्वन् न कश्चिदपि शब्दो वर्तते. No shabda works there, making atma as the vishaya of any shabda. Atah atma swata siddha iti bhava. Therefore, Atma is Swata Siddha. Say Shabda Pravritti is not there, therefore Atma is Swata Siddha. How do you say? Shabda Pravritti Nimitta is not there. Ataha Atma Swata Siddha. So, actually the question was in 27th. How do you say Atma is Swata Siddha? Because Aham Pratyaya, Mama Pratyaya, They are indicating Atma. So it was said they are indicating Ahankara. Now here you should understand Aham Mama Shabda Prayoga is also for Ahankaradi, Panchakosha. So it is not indicating Atma. Okay. How does Atma become Swata Siddha? If there is any Shabda or Pratyaya, pay attention. If there is any Shabda or Pratyaya that makes Atma as the Vishaya, then what will happen? That Atma will be Parata Siddha, not Swata Siddha. Because you need Anya Pramana, Anya Indriya, something, Vyapti, to prove that Atma. So here it is said, other Pramanas are not there. So then how Atma will be proved? Atma is Swayam Prakasha. For Atma Siddhi, you don't need other Pramanam. Because of Atma, those Pramanas, they get Siddhi. Pramatacha, Pramanancha, Prameya, Pramitis-tatha. Yasya prasadat siddhyanti. Tat siddhau kim apekshate. By whose presence all the Anatma Prapancha gets illumined. Pramata, Pramana, Prameya, they are known. Who will do Siddhi of that Atma? Nobody. Then Atma is Swata Siddha, Swayam Prakasha. That is what is shown. And the Upanishad Shabdas, they will indicate Paramatma or Brahma through Lakshana, not through Vachyartha. That is said in the next shloka. Swata Siddha Swarupa Atmani means Swata Siddha Swarupe Atmani Pravritti Nimitta Jatyadi Abhavat Kaschidapi Shabdo Na Pravartate Chet Katham Tasya Vedanta Vedyataya Aupanishadatvam Udghushyate Iti Atah. If Atma is Swata Siddha and there are no Pravritti Nimitta like Jati, Guna Kriya, etc. in Atma. So no Shabda, including Shastriya Shabda, also will not have Pravritti there. So then why do you say Atma is Vedanta Vedya? Kathan tasya Vedanta Vedyataya Aupanishadatvam Udghushyate. You are proclaiming that Atma is Vedanta Vedya. It is Aupanishad Purusha. Tan Tvaupanishadam Purusham Prachami. In Brahadaranyaka, it is Upanishad means Upanishad Matra Gamya. Only through Upanishad it is known. Vedanta Vedya, how do you say? So the main answer is through Lakshana. Abhaso yatra tatraiva Shabdaha pratyagdrishim sthitaha Lakshayeyurna sakshat Mabhidadyuh kathanchana. Abhaso yatra tatraiva Shabdaha pratyagdrishim sthitaha Lakshayeyurna sakshat Mabhidadyuh kathanchana. Yatra abhaso tatraiva shabdaha pratyagdrishim sthitaha. Tam atmanam na tam atmanam lakshayeyo. न साक्षात कथंचन अभिदध्यु. न will go with अभिदध्यु. Tam, you can use pratyak drishim because that is also in Dvitiya. Tam pratyak drishim atmanam शब्दाः लक्षयेयुः न साक्षात अभिदत्युः. लक्षयेयुः, what lakara is that?
विधिलिंग प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचनम.
प्रथम पुरुष
बहुवचनम.
लक्षयेत, लक्षयेताम, लक्षयेयुः. Laksha is the dhatu there. Abhidadyuhu there also. Abhidadyuhu, what is the dhatu? So the pratibimba is present only in buddhyadi, ahankaradi, not everywhere. Did you make the correction? Tatraiva abhasa avivikte antakaranado in the tika.
Swamiji, after Swamiji asked the
Okay.
dhatu,
Yatra, just read this. Yatra, tika first line. Yatra ahankarada vabhasa chaitanya pratibimbodayas tatraiva abhasa avivikte. After abhasa, just make a dash and next line khandakar. Avivikte antakaranadau vachakatvena sthita. There where in ahankara atma abhasa chaitanya pratibimba is there in ahankara, their shabdas can reach. How? Abhasa avivikta antakarana. Chidabhasa plus antakarana, they are together. There the vachaka shabda, aham shabda vachya is this ahankara along with or abhasa, chidabhasa. Vachakatvena sthitaha atmadi shabdaha. Pratyak drishim pratyaktaya bhasamanam drishim atmanam shuddham lakshayeyu. So these shabdas, they only indicate atma. They only indicate atma means atma is not vachyartha of any shabda. Like ghata shabda is vachyartha of ghata padartha. Atma, no shabda reveals that atma directly. So pratyak drishim prati, pratyak drishim pratyaktaya bhasamanam drishim atmanam shuddham lakshayeyuhu. They indicate atma, lakshayeyuhu. Lakshanaya jnapayeyu. To lakshana, they reveal it. Jnapayeyu. Natu tam sakshad abhidadyuhu. Sakshad abhidadhanam. Abhidadyuhu. Abhidhanam. Abhidhanam means
नाम
vachyartha.
kathanam. Abhipurvodha. What is the shloka?
विपूर्वेदा करोत्यर्थे अभिपूर्वस्तु भाषणे मेलने
चापि संपूर्वः.
मेलने चापि सम्पूर्वः निपूर्वो
स्थापने मत निधानम मीन्स टू कीप विपूर्वोधा करोत्यर्थे अभिपूर्वो तु भाषणे अभि इज फॉर संभाषणम अभिधानम धा धातु फोर उपसर्ग somebody was asking how one dhatu can have different meaning this shloka vi abhi sam ni four different upasargas dha dhatu you get different meaning. Everybody knows this shloka tarka sangraha
Yes, Swamiji.
न तो साक्षात अभिदत्यु कथंचन कथंचन एट एनी टाइम विशेषणादि प्रकारेण अपि इत्यर्थः by becoming विशेषण this that साक्षात it is not revealed अतो नौपनिषदत्व प्रसिद्धि विरोध इति भाव therefore there is no virodha that Upanishad shabdas like satyam jnanam anantam brahma साक्षी चेता केवलो निर्गुणश्च these shabdas how will they reveal Brahma through lakshana don't reveal Atma directly. Means why Atma is not Vachyartha? Very simple, because it doesn't have Shabda Pravritti Nimittas. Nahiya Jatyadiman Kaschit Artha Shabdair Nirupyate. Nahi Jatyadiman Kaschit Artha Shabdair Nirupyate. Only half means one line is there, full shloka is only in one line. Nahi ajatyadiman kaschit. Kaschit yad ajatyadiman jati guna kriya sambandha rudhi ityadi abhavavan kaschid arthah shabdair na nirupyate. Arthah padartha. Any padartha will not be divided. Shabda doesn't have gati only there. So, therefore, Brahma doesn't become Vachyartha. So, if it doesn't have any pravritti nimitta in it, how will it reveal? That was the idea. ननु लक्षणयापि यत्र शब्दस्य तात्पर्यं स एव शब्दार्थः तथा च आत्मादि शब्दानाम् अहंकारातिरिक्ते प्रत्यगात्मनि चेद वृत्तिः कथं तर्हि लोका अहंकारादाव आत्मशब्दं प्रयुज्यते इति अपेक्षायाम् उपचारात् इति सदृष्टान्तम् पूर्व पक्षी says through lakshana also यत्र शब्दस्य तात्पर्यं स एव शब्दार्थः. In lakshana also, lakshana cannot be random. If somebody says Gangayam Ghosha, or you do lakshana and you say there is a village outside Yamuna. Why? Because I have to use lakshana, so I am using lakshana. Lakshana should indicate what is the tatparya, what is the vivaksha. So lakshanaya api yatra shabdasya tatparyam sa eva shabdartha. There where tatparya is, only that will become shabdartha. Nacha atmadi shabdanam ahankarattirikte pratyagatmani ched vrittihi. If atmadi shabda, their vritti means pravritti. Their pravritti, if it is not in any such pratyagatma, other than ahankaradi, means it will go only up to ahankara. Then, kathan tarhi lokaha ahankaradava atma shabdam prayujyate. Then why people use Atma Shabda for Ahankara. Like, how do you say, somebody will ask, are you coming? You say, yes, I am coming. So, I. This is Atma Shabda. Atma Shabda Prayog is done in Deha, or Atma Shabda in Karta. Who is doing the karma? Say, I am doing karma. Not only that, even in Veda, people take the sankalpa that I will do this karma, or I am aham idam karishye, and he will put the akshatas, flower, etc. I will do this karma. The aham karishye, so Atma is not doing anything. So in ahankara, Atma Shabda is used. How? Upachara. It is a gauna prayoga. In that there is a drishtanta. Sadrishtantam aha. Sadrishtantam. How will be the vigraha?
दृष्टान्तेन सह
Drishtantena saha. What is the sutra?
तेन तुल्ययोगे
Tena saha tulya yogi. Atma bhaso yatha hankri. Atma shabdais tathochyate. Ulmukadau yathagnyarthaha. Pararthatvan na chanjasa. Atma bhaso yatha hankri. Atma shabdais tathochyate. Ulmukadau yathagnyarthaha. Pararthatvan na chanjasa. यथा उल्मुकादौ अग्न्यर्थाः शब्दाः उच्यन्ते, that you will have to give, because drishtanta is only ulmukadau yatha agnyarthaha. Yatha ahankrit आत्मा भासः तथा तथा अहंकृत आत्मा भासो आत्म शब्दैः उच्यते. न अंजसा परार्थत्वात्. So it is not मुख्य शब्द प्रयोग. आत्मा शब्द प्रयोग in अहंकार आदि. मुख्य in अहंकार, but in deha, indriya, prana, etc. whenever atma shabda is used, it is because there atma abhasa is there. Atma abhasa doesn't mean only chidabhasa. In ahankara, yes, chidabhasa is there. But in deha, atma abhasa, atma bhranti is there. This is me. And I will use atma shabda in deha. Or something that belongs to me, in that also, this is me, somebody can say. Like he gives example in Ulmuka, Agni Artha, Ulmukam Dahati, Ayo Dahati. Dahan Karya, Ulmuka is more like Alat. A mashal is there and the fire is there on top. But so there is a handle, but that also can get hot. So it is not fire. But because it is carrying fire, it is associated with fire, it is also called fire, Agni. But no anjasa, not directly or not really. Why? Pararthatva. It is parasya artha. So it is not mukhya artha, no anjasa, no sakshat, siddhika. Ahankrit. अहंकारो वस्तुतो अनात्मा अपि आत्माभास आत्मवत् अस्मत् प्रत्यालंबनो भासते. अहंकार वस्तुतः it is anatma only. This is where the granthi, this is called the granthi. Vidyate hridaya granthi means this granthi we have to break. Mentally, I should stop using the atma shabda for ahankara. Mentally, I should stop becoming samsari because of ahankara. All the sukha dukha, all the bandhana, etc. is in ahankara. Because I erroneously do adhyasa, I take all those problems. So mukhya sadhana is this. Now, if somebody is not capable of doing all the time this thing, not that you have to do all the time. These shabda prayogas, I'll tell you, jnanam is actually very clear. Once you get it, you get it. There is no repetition. We have already seen in Naishkarmya Siddhi. Ganga srotovat ahani ahani aham brahmasmi, you should not do. You don't have to do. Either you know it or you don't know it. Once you know it, then what you should do? I should drop the body identification. It should go on its own. What is not me is not me. Over. And then we should not say, no, I am not this, but what about my this and my that? And that means it is still lingering only. So in them, atma bhasa, atmavat asmat pratyalambano bhasate. You do adhyasa, even though it is anat. Yatha, tatha atma shabdaihi api, yatha pratibhasam uchyate. So atma shabdena, just as pratyaya is like this, shabda is also like that. Atma shabdaihi api yatha pratibhasam uchyate vastugatya tu shabda pratyayoho shuddha eva atmani paryavasanam. Vastugatya means the vastu sthiti is shabda pratyaya, their paryavasanam will happen in atma only. Means even though shabda ends in ahankara, that ahankara is mithya and its adhishthanam is satya, which is atma. So even when I call something erroneously, what is being actually referred is its adhishthanam. For example, if you take Suvarna Alankara, gold ornament, and you say, oh, this ornament is so beautiful, this ornament is so expensive, the cost of the ornament is because the cost of the gold. If it is not gold, it is pittal, pittal, I don't know what they call, whatever it is. So then it doesn't have that much cost. Brass. It doesn't have that much cost. It has hardly any value compared to gold. So the importance is to the given to the adhishthanam only. So vastugatya shabda pratyayoho shuddhe eva atmani parevasta. Yatha agnyarthaha shabdaha dahati adayah. Agni artha shabda. Dahati is Agni artha ka shabda because daha is the dharma of Agni. So dahati means you will look for Agni. Agni arthaha shabdaha dahatyadayah. Ulmukam dahati, ayo dahati, iti ulmukadau prayujyamanaha. Prayujyamana. Shanach pratyaya. In ulmuka, they are used, these shabdas. Anjasa sakshad ulmukadau na cha paryavasyanti. But they don't culminate in ulmuka. Means ulmuka by itself will not burn. Ulmuka associated with fire will burn. Like if I say, I got burned because of water. So everybody will understand, those who are viveki, that water must be boiling. Then only it can happen, not otherwise. Tesham dahadi ashrayatva anupapatte. Tesham
Ulmukadi.
शब्दानाम और उल्मुकादि पदार्थानाम दाहादि आश्रयत्व अनुपपत्ते. They are not the आश्रय of burning. दहत्यादि शब्दानाम तेषाम दहत्यादि शब्दानाम परार्थत्वात्. दहति आदि शब्द, they are not for ulmuka, they are for something else. तद अभिव्यक्त अग्न्यर्थत्वात्. That means tatra or tasmin. In that, what is the Agni which is abhivyakta, there dahati word applies. Not to ulmuka or jalam or aya, etc. Te agnaveva paryavasyanti. Their culmination is in this. In different example I'll give. You know, sometimes people, they do some puja and they don't know actually what puja they are doing or whose puja they are doing. So they do some puja, then say, oh, this, whoever is that deity, they say, this deity is blessing me, this deity is good. Somewhere some temple is there, they'll go there regularly. They don't know Paramatma alone is blessing. So like that, everything else is adhyastha in Chaitanya. What is really being indicated is that adhishthanam only, but others don't know. So this is the benefit of studying Shastra. When you study Shastra, I should be able to understand this is the glory of adhishthanam only. In this adhishthanam, if whatever upadhi that is available, that upadhi has sattva, then sattva is doing this magic. Sattva of this upadhi, but the adhishthanam is the one who is making this upadhi satya. And then sattva guna is there, so glory goes there. If it is rajoguna, it will act accordingly. If it is tamoguna, it will give you suffering also. But the credit goes to adhishthanam. Adhishthanam is satyam jnanam anantam brahma. In Upadesh Sahasri, there was one shloka earlier, these Brahmadis, Brahma, Indra, they all are my bodies. Brahma Sharira is my Sharira. Indra Sharira is my Sharira. Brahaspati Sharira is my Sharira. This is Jnani's understanding. So therefore he doesn't feel, but I am not in Brahmaloka. How it is? Wherever you are present everywhere. अज्ञावेव पर्यवस्यन्ति तथा अहंकारस्य आत्म अभिव्यक्ति अर्थत्वात् तस्मिन् जडे परिच्छिन्ने पराधीन प्रकाशे आत्मादि शब्दाः चित् सत् आनंद अनंताद्यर्था अनुपपद्यमाना अहंकारस्य आत्म अभिव्यक्ति अर्थत्वात् अहंकार is the one who is doing अभिव्यक्ति of atma because ahankar becomes the upadhi. But by itself, ahankara is jada parichinna paradhina prakasha. Tasmin jade parichinne paradhina prakashe. In that, atmadi shabda like sat, chit, ananda, ananta, etc. Anupapadyamana. They cannot be applied to jada parichinna aswam prakasha. Anupapadyamana. Then, vicharyamane shuddheva paryavasyanti. But when vichara happens, then shuddheva paryavasyanti. Their paryavasanam is only in shuddha brahma. Vicharyamane iti sarvam upapannam ityartha. Therefore, everything is okay. Everything is explained. Everything is explained means that Atma Shabda in Loka is used for ahankara. But really, that ahankara's existence is blessed by Atma alone. Adhishthanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.